All right, welcome to our unboxing video. My name's Caleb Burton, and this is my daughter, Peyton Burton. Say hi, Peyton.
Hello.
All right, well, today we're going to be unboxing this Star Wars drone. Well, I noticed that it is a collector's item, so a lot of people aren't going to want to unbox it. They just want to keep it to hold the value, but me and Peyton, we do not really follow Star Wars like that. We do enjoy the movies, but we don't actually need to collect anything. So what we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna just go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna play with this because it is a toy, and that's what you do with toys. So let's see, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see what happens here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Let's see here. Comes in a, oh, here. Nope, nothing else in there. And then what we have here is a nice little box. Comes with a sticker on top. Ooh, smells fresh. Let's see here. Okay, so it's actually, this is sealed. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, it has, I don't know what that is on it. Kind of like a little, I think this might be what the drone looks like, but it actually comes sealed. It's sealed on both sides here. So I don't know if I'll need a knife or something like that for it. Do you think we'll need a knife?
I think you just have to lift it up.
Just lift it up? Oh, okay, let's see here. All right, well, I've taken off the seal, so now the value's gone from it. Let's see it. Oh, okay. All right, well, let's see. Figures I'll hold this way. Let's see here. All right, that's freaking awesome. There's a speaker in here. It lights up. I wonder if we'll do it again. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get it to do it again.
Stabilize your rear deflector.
All right, that's pretty awesome. That's really awesome. So here's a display case.
So it doesn't like break or anything.
Yeah.
What's in there?
It's plexiglass. Oh, it's removable. Is this the drone? Is this this is it right here?
No.
Oh, it is.
Oh my gosh, that's
Okay, so this is a flying drone of some sort. Didn't know it was gonna be that.
Where's the remote?
Do batteries go in here? Oh, this looks like a place to hold the batteries.
Where's the remote?
I don't know. Let's take the rest of this out. Does it just pop out here? Oh, okay.
Oh.
So this is it right here. I'm wondering if it's...
I think the remote is in here.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's a box. Box inside.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of big.
That's huge. All right, so we have this and this. I guess this will go in its case here.
So it doesn't fall down.
So this is the case to
The drum.
put it in and display it, which is pretty awesome. Right there. Then, set this right here. Nothing else. It's a very sturdy box here.
It's
Then
kind
we'll
of
open
soft.
this up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, all right. We
Box.
have a lot of goodies here.
Okay, I
Including-
don't know which one is the remote control.
Yeah, let's find out which one. Advanced X1 Performance Battle Drone. Okay, this is the controller. Oh,
Oh
wicked.
my god.
Nice.
That is so cool.
This is going to be the controller here. Oh, that's pretty banging. Look at that. That's nice. We have some extra accessories here. Oh! I guess this is supposed to go on here. We can,
I think
we
it's
can
supposed
fix
to go
some
on the
things.
side, Dad.
And oh, these are the propellers. I knew it. I knew it couldn't just fly off of some type of new technology because, you know, it's 2019. We're pretty much not there. This is wall charger and battery. All right, these are something. Oh, these are the batteries. Okay, so these are rechargeable. All right, we're gonna have to get this bad boy in the air soon. Here's the actual charger to hold, I'm assuming, these batteries right here. This is gonna be pretty cool. So, oh, look, it's gonna fit directly in there.
And then we'll put it in the drill, and then it will be.
And then this is the wall charger. So let's see. Let's see how this thing actually flies, what it does. All right. Get out of there, you. All right. So.
Where is the inside so we could put that in?
Yeah, what do we do here? Do we.
We
I don't
have
know.
never opened a drill before.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh my
I
God.
think I might have just broken that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I just broke it. So, that's that. That's what happens when
Yo, get
you
to
don't
work.
know what you're doing. There should be a button on here or something.
Let's
Maybe.
use the instructions. What?
That's probably the best idea. What in the heck? Does this go to your... This looks like a slot where you would put your phone. Is there a stinking camera on this? I think there's a camera on this thing. All right, I think I totally lucked out on this. All right, my wife is pushing the instructions to me. We're gonna go ahead and see what happens here. So, for everyone who's mad at me, and will post on this video for unboxing a collector's item,
Yes.
You're welcome.
you're welcome. And now me and my daughter are gonna enjoy something that you're not. So, have a nice day. Say bye.
Bye.
And we'll be posting a video later of how it flies once we get it all set up.
Nice.
Say bye, Peyton.
Bye.